This is Aftab, Senior Therapist, recording from AI Physiotherapy Clinic. Awareness for Health and Fitness. Today's topic for a video is posture. Posture is a position of body hold, that is head, back, legs and arms in both action like walking, working and driving, and at rest, lying and sitting. Posture means an intentional or habitual assumed body position. The spine play important role as base on which body holds. Physically, all nerves of organs come from spine. Spine had three curves, that is at neck, at thorax and at lower back. Good posture is geometrically means all joint structure, that is muscles, bones, ligaments, cartilage act accordingly. Good posture is important for both physically, that is no pain, no stiffness or no tightness. Mentally, confidence, reduced stress, positive body imaging and improve immunity and breathing. You can see in this picture there are three curves, that is at neck, at middle back and at lower back. And spinal cord, all nerves from organ comes from spinal cord and distributed among all organs. These are the some of the bad posture, that means spine out of alignment, like forward head, sway back, upper back round, shoulder front and down, which create more curve and abnormal pressure upon areas which you should not have pressure. Poor posture, complication of poor posture is its bad effect from head to toe. Majority of pain, weakness, stiffness caused by bad posture. Poor posture, it will create extra pressure on joints and its structures, which will increase wear and tear on ligaments, cartilage and tendon. Incorrect curve make tightness on nerve or arteries or muscle, that will result in illnesses. And in chronic condition for spine, it lead to degenerative disc disease. If not treated, muscular posture will become structural posture, which will lead to deformities. Poor posture. You can see the problems of poor posture. Migraine, headache, usually cause of poor posture. Neck pain, that is cervical spondylosis, shoulder stiffness, neck stiffness, back pain, hip pain, heel pain, knee pain, and all these pains is directly or indirectly contribute to poor posture. And we can see the causes of bad posture. This job, car driver job, these jobs made strenuous physical efforts and which will create bad postural habits. Positions like leaning, slouching, rounded shoulder. Physical and mental stress, unhealed injury which create pain, stiffness and weakness will also cause poor posture. Overweight, pot waist belly and sedentary lifestyle it also contribute to bad posture. And old age, which will create loss of lean muscles and osteoporosis, cause skeletal change in posture, which will lead to poor posture. Let us discuss about static or resting posture. Sleeping position. It is highly recommended to sleep on right side, supporting neck and shoulder by a soft pillow and putting pillow under the knees. And we have to see that mattresses neither should be tight nor should be very soft, so that the spine curve will be correct position. You can see in picture, one of the reason of bad posture is sleeping in bad positions. Similarly, when we lying on the bed, when we are sitting on the bed and reading or going through with phone, at that time we have to see that we should support our knee, our lower back, our neck and our hand by support of pillow. In this position, it will minimize strain upon muscles and joints. And second static posture is standing in correct position. That is, ear should be aligned and chin should be tucked, shoulder should be down and back, stomach should be drawn in, that should be little tight, and buttocks should be tucked in, and knee should be unlocked. In this position, we can maintain correct posture and we can avoid unnecessary strain upon joints, ligaments and muscles. Similarly, in dynamic posture, the first and foremost dynamic posture is using smartphone. If we use smartphone in natural position, we will put our 5 kgs of weight upon neck. If we started increasing the forward bending of neck, we will increase the pressure of head, that will be increased by 140%, 240%, 340%, 440%. If you increase more bending, then your muscle will get more strain and your shoulder will get stiffness and pain, and for prolonged period of time it will lead to cervical spondylosis. Similarly, nowadays there is a new diagnosis, that is text neck. This is because people are using smartphone for hours in a bad position. As you can see in the picture, soreness in neck, numbness and tingling of in hands, pain at back, arms, hand, elbow, wrist, and headache, tightness of muscle, and these all will change the posture. So we have to see that our posture should be correct while using the phone. Similarly, students who are studying at home, they have to see that they should sit upright, shoulder aligned, forearm parallel to ground, both foot rested, knee and hip should be in a line. In this position, we can spend more time without straining more. Similarly, desk job professionals, they have to correct their seats, the table as well as monitor. Head should be between 20 to 25 centimeters away from the eyes, and monitor should be at the level of eye or above chest. and neck, hip and shoulder, ear, hip and shoulder should be aligned, and mouse and keyboard it should be near to the chair, and chair height it should be as it will not create pressure upon knee or hip. In this position we can spend more time without straining more. Similarly, if wrong posture, it will need to stress upon neck, stress upon shoulder, stress upon lower back. These are the problems which create bad posture, particularly people who are doing professional job of online softwares. Similarly, in dynamic posture, we have to see that walking should be in correct posture. Back should be erected, chin should be parallel to the ground, shoulder and hip and knee in a line, both legs and arms should be equally participate in walking, and one should not bend towards one side. These are the conditions by which we can decrease our stress and we can keep our posture correct. Similarly, driving for long time, we have to see that we have to adjust the foot should be near to the pedal, the seat should be adjusted accordingly, and hip and knee should be aligned, and elbow should be parallel to the ground, and shoulder should be in line, and back rest and neck rest should be properly adjusted to the curve. And in conclusion, whenever physically tired during job, take break, do stretching with deep breathing exercises. Keep fit by doing regular exercise for all muscle. Focus on core muscle, that is neck muscle, lower back muscle, as well as hips. And we have to maintain good posture intentionally and habitually. Always keep spine upright, shoulder backward and down. Avoid excessive pressure on spine. No heavy lifting or hard sports. And precaution should be individual who is having continuous pain, tingling or numbness or weakness, they have to consult the therapist before doing exercises. Thank you very much.